I'm surprised there's not more. Some of this was greener than others. When I did it the other day, I thought more fibre broke off it, or more sort of straw. How do you all the chaff coming out of it?
So this is scutching.
Yeah, this is scutching, and in a scutching mill, a lot of them used to be sort of water driven, and they'd have these paddles, a whole lot of paddles, a bit like that, and you just hold it before health and safety, and then you get your hands whacked and everything else. Careful. And the other thing, yeah, I was saying they've got this museum, Flax Museum in Northern Ireland, just south of Belfast, at Lisbon, but also the National Trust, who are getting a bad press at the moment, they have a beetling mill, which with the sort of finishing process for the linen comes out quite stiff, and this makes it soft.
I don't want my foot in it.
No.
Oh, that's looking good.
This is actually my stuff.
But whatever way you do it, you end up with a lot of waste. And the waste is called tow, really, and that was used in the making of boots
I'll pick this out.
and things, for various uses, even cleaning guns.
They used to use a lot of it on ships, didn't they?
Yeah.
As caulking. They used to.
Need a bit more weight on it.
What a difference.
So it looks easier than the bought stuff, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It's more organised.
It hasn't been able to get so tangled. That was rather. I'm not ending up. The fistful I started with is diminishing, rather.
I'm not wanting it.
Whether I try it through the next one. Yeah, and it's quite handy, and it's not.
It's easy to spread it around as well, isn't it? Spread it out.
It's light to spread out, isn't it?
It's amazing.
But it's amazing how the straw manages to go through. But I think there's multiple rows over there are very effective. I might take it over and give it. But whether this is giving the general idea.
It's working though. That's almost ready to spin, isn't it?
There's a certain amount of straw still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's amazing. These. Yeah, it doesn't like going from across the joint, does it? Some of those are sort of clean enough now to spin.
To redo.
With sort of toe. Should give you a bit more toe.
Well, I'm putting your toe on my toe, actually.
Whether I can jam that in. Let's give it a try. Well, yeah, that's looking more like it,
Yes,
isn't
it's
it?
looking beautiful.
Really
It's a lovely
There's a
colour.
big bit of straw around. But like these little combs, whether they're out of a dog or
I was going to say, I've got a dog comb if you want to try it on that. Take it out bit by bit.
But it looks that's all I'm ending up with.
But if you hold that against the straw, the difference between the two is amazing.
You need a before and after shot.
But I don't, if everyone else would like to have a go.